the wheel that was there was damaged, so air was leaking out of the side of it, like from like the corner. You could feel air coming out of it. You'd hear a slight air leak. So I did what I didn't want to have to do, and I bought a new alloy. So this is a new alloy. I bought a new alloy, and I got that tire that I had put on that wheel transferred onto this wheel. So now everything's good. The alloy's perfect, the tire's perfect. I just drove it up and down real quick. Everything's working perfectly fine. So that was the quick update on the wheel situation. Okay, I've just put this tube back on that leads into the air box. So that just sucks up the air into there, into the box. Cold air, boom, nice. That's installed. Now I'm going to install something else. Bam, just like that. Whatever this piece there is called, that is back on. So that's back on there. Now something else is going to magically appear on the car. Put the car up on the ramp, since it looks a bit high up. Well, we've put on this piece of plastic. This was the original one that was on the car that I took off. So it is, some of the plastic is slightly damaged and stuff, but this isn't like a very important piece. It just has that one sensor up there, which I think senses the outside temperature. So other than that, I felt no need to really buy a new one of these. I got the under tray back on. That is new, well, it's secondhand, used, but new to me. So I got that on. So I'm gonna take it off the ramps, put the front bumper back on, hopefully for the last time ever. And then I'm gonna sort out the fog light, because if you didn't remember, right here, the connector for it is gone. It left the jack. That one's fine, as you can see it's there. So I've already got the connector for it and a new fog light. So I'll sort that out, because that side's got arch lining, slightly broken, but not broken enough that I'll buy a new one. And this side has nada, nothing, apart from that back there, but yeah, that can't run. So I'm gonna need a new one for this side. But other than that, she's coming together. Very, very soon now, she will be done. There it is. That one is finished. I'm actually really happy with it, because it came out a lot better than I thought it would. It's not perfect. Like when you go close, you can see it isn't perfect. It could do with being wet sanded and polished with like a polishing machine or whatnot to make it look really nice. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it like this. It looks good. I just wanted the colors to match, and it seems pretty spot on. So I'm going to throw these back on the car and see what it looks like. It's a bit darker in the evening, as I've done a bit more work to the car. I'm sorry, I might have lied last video, because I said I was going to put the bumper on in the video for dramatic purposes and whatnot. But I've just been working on this car off camera a bit, just to get it finished completely. So sorry, but the bumper's on. You're not going to see me put it on, but it's just me putting on a bumper, so it's not that much you're missing out on. But as you can see, we've got the bumper on, plates on, headlights back in, all of that. Hood is sorted, as that was a bit messed up. And we got the actual front bumper completely done. So we've got that in with the fog light, the lower grille, and the other side. So the complete front of the bumper is done. Now you might realize the license plate is blurred. That's because I'm not keeping this car, so I don't want the plate of this car to just be on the internet, just in case whoever, well, the new owner might not want it over the internet. So that's why I'm blurring it. So front bumper's done, apart from the damage over here. So I bought this bumper damaged, so you see all this damage over here. I need to still sort that out. And there is a dent right here that I've got to sort out, but that's just cosmetic stuff I can do whenever. On the other side, this done. You saw me get the new wheel and tire already. The wheel arch liner was damaged, so I bought a new one, and I just put that in now actually. So it's got a new arch liner in there. And yeah, other than that, everything is pretty much now done on the car. All I need to do now to make it 100% finished is get it an alignment, then it's completely done, apart from the cosmetic stuff on that side that you saw that I'll touch up. And I need to clean the interior of this car as well, because I still haven't done it, and as you can see, it's filthy in here. So I need to clean the interior and sort out that stuff on the exterior. But when I do that stuff, I'll then cut back again after the car's been aligned, and after I've cleaned the interior, I'll show you around again. Haven't sorted out the dent that's there. That dent's still there. I'm probably not actually going to end up sorting that out, if I'm being honest. But I ended up doing the bumper, so now it looks nice and good and all painted. Actually came out quite decent. So that's all sorted. Everything is good now, apart from that dent on the side. So yeah, I'll take you guys around the car a bit. Everything is looking good. If I go into the boot, everything back here is all good. Underneath this little carpet place, it all cleaned up quite nicely. It's still not the cleanest, but it's way better than before. Even on the interior, finally gave inside a bit of a clean as well. Once again, still not the cleanest thing ever, but much better than before. So yeah, that's the car fully complete. It's not really too much to show, if I'm being honest. But I just wanted to get the last clip of me showing it all done and all finished, so that you guys could see it. And this is it. Fully complete, right there. So in the next video I upload, I'm actually going to do a price breakdown of how much it cost to get the car and fix it, and how much all that came to in the end. So look out for that video next. That will be coming very shortly after I upload this video, so it's not going to take months on end for that video to come out. Almost forgot, this is the thing that I said I found kind of a bit funny in the car about the whole accident. Not drawn to scale. I actually found this in the car when getting it, so I guess whoever previously owned the car drew out what happened. I appreciate you guys for sticking around, watching. Leave any tips or anything like that in the comments. If any of you are master wizards or something in the comments that can help me on next builds or anything like that, if I plan on doing it again in the future, But yeah, thank you guys. If you liked, leave a like, subscribe, do all that stuff. If you didn't like the video, let me know why in the not in the description. Let me know why in the comments below. And yeah, until next time, peace.